Hi, I am Sifat, and today I'm going to show you how to use WinMerge to maintain different version of your code. You can merge it or compare the changes. Okay, for better context, this is the control panel where I have built a drive sync feature, and there contain multiple feature in this file. And I have to merge only the drive sync features to the production for now. So what I have did, I just pull the production code, and I need to merge the code which is related to the drive sync process. So how I can do that? This is the code where my drive sync process is live, and this is the latest code of the production. So I have to merge that code into this file. So what I can do, I have to open these two files in WinMerge. I just open open that folder that contain the feature, and I just open another folder where I have to transfer the features. Right. So for opening, we just need to click to the compare button. After some moment, you can see the different files between these two folders. So one folder is here, another folder is here. So this is our base folder where I have to copy that feature to these folders. So what we have to do, we just need to go to the view and uncheck this show identical and the another thing I left unique items, and also uncheck this tree mode. Then you can see all the files that has the different differences. So after that, you can see these files from the Git, right? And this is our code base where I have made the changes. So if I open this file, as you can see, the right side contained the base folder, and the left side contained the folder we need to transfer the codes, right? So best way to find the differences is to hold the Alt key and scroll the mouse to up, front, and down. After that, you can see all the differences, like this file contains this app description and set app description, but this file doesn't contain that. And there is also a difference. You can also see here, you can see all the differences. And whenever you need to some pieces of code that need to merge in this file, so what you can do is to click on your base file, and you can just click this right arrow. What this arrow will do, it will copy the code from this file to this file. As you can see, this code is copied to this file also, and you can undo also using this button. So you can see there is also a left arrow button. What this button does, if this right side folder have some code that doesn't contain to the left side folder, so you can just go to that line and click that left arrow, so that the code will copy from right folder to left folder. So what these button do? So if you notice that whenever I click on this right arrow button, so the difference code is copied from left to right, like this. But you will see a minor change here. So, but if you just use this arrow, this right arrow, then it will copy the code from left to right. It will, if you use this arrow, then it will copy your left side code from the right side and take you to the next differences. Like if you do again and again, then it will copy your left side different codes to right side and take you to the next differences. And another button you can see that copy all to right. If you click on this button, then the entire difference code will be copied from left to right. And this button also will do the vice versa. And what this button does, as you can see, you open these folders. So there are many folders before that and after that. So if you want to go to from this, if you want to jump from this file to first file, then you just have to click on this button. But if you just need only to move to the previous file, just like from this file to this file, then you just have to click on this button. And this button also do vice versa. And that's all you need to learn about WinMerge to identify the different codes, compare codes, and merge it. Thank you.